Chevy Cruze overheating. This car's junk. I got 38,000 good miles out of it until all the problems started with overheating. It blew the head gasket, and I put that Blue Devil block sealer in. It lasted exactly 2,000 miles. I blew the head gasket. Chevy would want $3,500 to fix that head gasket. It's a 6-speed manual, Ecotech. The only reason I keep it is because it gets 50 miles to the gallon on the highway with the AC off going 60 miles an hour. It does that good. It gets 50. I'm just babying it now. It can only go about maybe 15 miles and it needs water. I should have topped the water off at the last place. Well, I did top it off. That was less than 10 miles ago I topped the water off. It's horrible. It was a good car until all the overheating problems started. A 2013 Eco Chevy Cruze. It's the Eco model. That's why it gets the good gas mileage. Chevy had a recall on this car. They extended the recall to 10 years, 150,000 miles. I took it to the dealership at 148,000. They wanted $93 just to look at it, and they would have did about $1,200 worth of work. And I got stubborn and didn't want to pay and leave it there. Now here's what happened. They probably would have did $1,200 worth of work. I had a brand new water pump put in there, made in Canada. The mechanic said all the pressure blew the water pump out. That's where it's leaking now, the new water pump. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to find another car. This one's not worth fixing. I sure wouldn't want a used motor to put in it. Somebody else's used junk. They want $1,800 for a used motor. You can't even buy that Ecotech motor brand new right now. Or I'd buy a brand new one.